I'm Graham Clark. I'm a co-founder and vice president of alliances at TraceLink. TraceLink operates globally. We're in 51 countries, in all major continents. Pretty much everywhere where pharmaceuticals are manufactured and packaged is where we operate. Working with Vimachem started for us about more than 10 years ago, when we were helping companies implement their packaging lines and serialization on their product. And Vimachem was an essential component. They provided a service for those companies to help them support packaging lines from different equipment manufacturers. It brings us in parallel with Vimachem, who started off providing a level 3 and has extended their own platform to providing complete MES functionality for life science companies, and also extending the MES concept so that companies can connect MESs from multiple sites, from multiple providers, up into a single view at the enterprise level.
I'm Volker Ditscher. I'm working at Wipotec. Collaboration with Vimachem is there for many years. Very good partnership, and we have some common customers in the pharmaceutical world. The best thing working with Vimachem is that we have a very good relationship, not just with the people working here, but also with our common partners and common customers, because I think it's all about relationship at the end of the day, and we have a really good relationship, so that's very positive. A lot of systems in the field reach shelf life, and we're looking for retrofitting with our open architecture, which is, I think, very positively received from our customers in the world for the many years we're working together. This is something we're actually focusing on and continuing our strong partnership.